Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Reclaim AI, and this is the best AI calendar for work and life. Now, before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, you will be able to realize we have a really nice dashboard and we have the features like, for example, if you want to schedule links, buffer time, and time blocking, we can do that all in here. So if you do not know what time blocking is, it is basically really effective method to improve your daily life routine. Could be whether on your work, personal life, or whatsoever you would like to improve using different type of chunk system which divides your habits and different time frames. You can do that. You have your concepts, priorities, planner. If you want to head over to for that, you can see we have this calendar now opened up and we can add different type of time blocks or time chunks in here. You can log your work, add your information, and currently it is displaying the current active time. You have your priorities that you can add. Click on this new task, add your task name. Once you do, you have your duration, working hours, you can set them and click on create. Eventually, you can see once you add that, it will be added in here. You can also modify it using these three blocks. Click on edit if you want to change anything in here. Or let's just say if you want to incorporate your due date, your time, or mark done, it will be moved ahead. And you can see currently it is in done. If I head over to tasks, you will be able to see your tasks that are marked done and it will be visible in here. You can also delete it or whatsoever you would like to do it, so you can see your habits. Now, talking about its reviews, you will get to know something really good. Best decision I've made in a while, amazing product, best calendar management assistant on market. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much, subscribe, and see you in the next video.